coming upstairs. This is the front door. You have a tiny landing. Come around the corner, that's your fridge. Kitchen, decent sized kitchen. Nothing like you're used to now though, pretty small. And back in here, it's your living room area. Not in love with the floor, it's a little bit spongy. So I can't figure out what that is, if that's a bad glue job on laminate or what. Here is your main bath. Somewhere here. There's your main bath. And there's your primary. These styles are tough though, because your second bedroom is about 3 feet away. So, and then of course a little linen closet.